Hello dear learners, and you are most welcome to Sam's Online School. And this is Mama Samsul Alam is with you, Assistant Teacher at Mulbiel High School, Shibganj, Bogura. Lesson information, English for today, Class 8, Unit-1, Lesson-2, Nakshi Kantha. Now, dear learners, look at the picture and the questions, then ask and answer the questions with your partner. Okay, my dear students, now you should make pair. So both two students make a pair and look at the picture very carefully. What you can see in the picture. Yes, this is a artistic pattern or design. Can you please tell me what is it called? Yes, exactly. It is Nakshi Kantha. Have you seen it before and where? Yes, you have seen it before and you have seen it in your home. What do we do with it? We use it to save our from cold. Okay, my dear student, now read the passage silently and find out the difficult words for you. Okay, my dear learners, I think you have read the passage very carefully. And I think you have got some difficult and new words. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about the words in details. The first word I have got is quilt. The spelling is Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. The pronunciation is quilt. Okay, my dear students, who can tell me which part of this is this one? Yes, exactly. This one is a noun. And what is the meaning of quilt? Who can say? Quilt is a heavy and comfortable cover made of cotton and cloth. And what will be the example sentence? The example sentence is, Nakshi Kantha is one kind of quilt. Now next word. The next word is artistic. Artistic. Spelling is A-R-T-I-S-T-I-C. Artistic. And which part of this is this one? Yes, exactly. This one is adjective. And what is the meaning? The meaning is skillfully and attractively made. Artistic means skillfully and attractively made. And who can make a sentence with this word? Yes. Nakshi Kantha is made with artistic pattern. Now next word. The next word is commercially. The spelling is C-O-M-M-E-R-C-I-L-L-Y. Commercially. Pronunciation is commercially. And what is the meaning? Before going to the meaning, I would like to ask you, can you please tell me which part of this is this one? Yes, this one is adverb. And the meaning is for the purpose of business. For the purpose of business. And the example, now Nakshi Kantha is produced commercially. Now Nakshi Kantha is produced commercially. Now next word is traditional. 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 And which parts of speech is this one? This one is adjective. And the meaning is as part of tradition or existing in. And who can give me an example sentence? Yes. The sentence is traditional kathas are made for family use. Now next word. Next word is demand. D-E-M-A-N-D. And the pronunciation is demand. Demand. And which parts of speech is this one? This one is a noun. This one is a noun word. And what is the meaning? The meaning is a need for something. And the example sentence: the quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns. Now next word. Next word is pattern. Which parts of speech is this one? Yes, noun. And the meaning is a particular way in which something is done. A particular way in which something is done. And the example sentence is: the quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns. Okay, my dear students, now come to section B. Now read the text to know about Nakshi Kantha. And I am going to read out the text for you. Nakshi Kantha is a kind of embroidered quilt. The name was taken from the Bengali word naksha, which means artistic pattern. It is a kind of traditional craft and is used and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. The name Nakshi Kantha became popular after the poet Jasimuddin's poem Nakshi Kantha's Mat was published in 1929. Traditional kathas made for family use, old or new cloth and thread are used to make these quilts. Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogura and Jashore are most famous for this craft. Now it is produced commercially. You can find them in many expensive handicraft shops in cities. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns and designs embroidered on them. Okay, my dear students, now come to section C. And section C is for your homework. You will do section C in your home. Now come to section D. Do you like a Nakshi Kantha or an ordinary Kantha? Why? What do you think? I am giving you 20 seconds time to think. Do you like a Nakshi Kantha or an ordinary Kantha? And why? Yes, and the answer may be like this. I like Nakshi Kantha more than an ordinary Kantha because it looks very colorful and make our room eye-catchy. On the other hand, traditionally it is used by our parents and grandparents and we are habituated with this for years. Now, my dear student, come to section E. And here you have to complete the sentences with the clues given in the boxes. The words are Bengali, patterns, embroidery, ears, fashion, art, rural designs, quilt, naksha. So number 1, naksha means artistic pattern. Naksha means artistic pattern. Number 2, the name was taken from a Bengali word naksha. Number 3, the art has been practiced in rural Bengal for years. Number 4, Nakshi Kanthas are now sold in Nakshi Kanthas are now sold in, which one will be the correct answer? Fashion shops. Number 5, Nakshi Kanthas are in great demand because of their colorful design. Is there designs? Yes, colorful designs and patterns. Number 6, Nakshi Kanthas are a kind of embroidery.